Alright, here I am. This is Beehive Part 2. I'm going to try to get further up into it this time. Hear them? Hear it echoing?
I thought that was just the mosquitoes in my ears.
No. Oh, holy shit. There's a bunch of them in there right now.
Alright. Hey, let's see if I can,
I'm going to see how close I can get. They keep flying past us right now.
There's a beehive right there. I can't really get that close.
I'm going to spin the camera around.
He's close. There's mosquitoes flying all in, around, the side. Any place a mosquito can fly, they are.
I can't get up inside of there. I mean, luckily they're not attacking me.
Yeah, they're pretty peaceful.